quicker that is. I got some quick shots of it yesterday as well. I hope these turned out better than the ones I did yesterday. The ones I did yesterday, I've only seen it for about a second. Here's one, so I'm gonna read about that. Doves flying by. I think this over here by the fence was a sparrow, or that eastern throat. I'm not sure. A dove in the same tree. I don't know why my focus is off so bad this morning. I think it's me. These doves are all over the place. Springtime's in the air. And that is so cool. It's gotta be the female. The other one's a lot bigger. Alright folks, well, I think I'm gonna call it a quit here this morning. Start getting ready for church. And the doves are all over the place. But I'm still just kind of learning the Canon 90D. Again, it's got the 1 to 400 contemporary lens on it. Just having some fun out in the backyard with it. It's all fun and games. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.